In the world of education, we often have to investigate and research situations to truly have an understanding for what is taking place. It is important that we explore how students learn. Educators must use research, such as experimental design research, to support their reasoning behind why or how we teach our students. We must be able to understand our students' learning, and experimental design research can help us do that. Experimental design research directly connects to the field of education in many ways. This research design often uses a cause and effect relationship between variables. There are many studies done in the field of education with experimental design research, such as studies on behavior, goal setting, violence in school, effects of technology on learning, professional development in regards to student learning, and there are many more other situations. More specifically, in my school district at Blacksburg Middle School, we use Positive Behavior Interventions and Support Program, better known as PBIS. This is a research-based program that used experimental research to back and support the reasoning behind how this behavior intervention works in schools. These are some ways that experimental design research directly connects to education.